welcome to Butterfly News Network. I'm Entle.
And I'm Kosana. We're bringing you news headlines from around Mzansi. Today's top story. A stationary vehicle is causing a serious paper jam at Butterfly headquarters in Germiston. We now cross over to our reporter on the scene. Mukhadi, what can you tell us?
Gosana, it seems to be a frantic mom of two. Karen, stopping a stationary vehicle. That's stationery with an E to get some butterfly pocket files.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I just wanted to beat the rush and pop my papers in them.
Ma'am, calm down. You can get your butterfly pocket file in stores. There's plenty for you and your PTA group.
Where's your manager?
Crisis averted. Germiston traffic is cleared. Karen's matcha is safe. And everybody's getting their butterfly pocket files in stores.
For more back-to-school chaos, stay glued to Butterfly News Network and remember to pop it in your pocket file.